Hello cute childrens, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a for you kitty. Please watch full video to have fun. Let's get started. For this purpose I will take a pencil and first of all I will draw a nose between the paper. First of all I will draw here a nose. I'm drawing with pencil so that I will raise whenever something is wrong. So here I will draw a eye. Here side by side we will draw eyes, and but here I will draw eye one. It looks claws. Okay, it's look like then nice. So now what's we have to do, we have to draw a line underside the nose. Okay, stop. So now you have to imagine it like their line is go from here, like here we have to, okay, I erase it because of it's not round. So I will draw a round row looking round. So now we have to draw from here, like we have to go the upper side. Okay, stop here, and you have to imagine like you can even meet these points for the face, and here as well you have to start from here, like you have to make a hair. We have to raise again because of hands. We have to make here, and we will start from here. I will show how. Okay, then you can meet this point as well, like this. Okay, no problem, it's face. And now what you have to do, you have to make here bow. For bow we have to draw first of all the middle part, the round part of the bow. Okay, you have to draw around. Okay, it's almost round. Okay, then again what you can do here, you have to draw the right side of the bow. Okay, you have to meet here points, and then from here you can start from here and go upside. Come back to here. Okay, so now what's more, you have to draw bow inside. Okay, so now you can meet this point here, and now what's more, we have to draw, you have to imagine it comes here from the downside, and it's come here to here. This is the ear, right side ear. And now what's more, we have to make our left ear as well. From here we will start, go upside and go more, and then go downside, and then you have to imagine it's come here to meet it. But here we have to make a not round it like this. Okay, it's cool. And now what's we have to do, we have to raise it because of we have to make a here the hands. You have to raise it with pencil. Now what's you have to do, you have to make a round. round. Okay, and here as well you have to make a round. Okay, then these are the fingers here and here. Okay, these are two fingers and we have to make it correct. Like you have to round it. Okay, it's nice. And you have to even meet this point here, and the same you have to do here. You have to make a round, go to up here and here as well, round. And then what you have to do, the two fingers. Okay, then both are almost round and you have to draw a between of this round. Okay, we have completed with face, and now it's time to make our body. For body we will draw, first of all, for body we will start from here. Okay, we will come down, it's enough, and from here as well we will start from equal from here. Okay, for the leg part we will draw a straight line. Okay, then we have to do partition, and we have to come down here, down, and here down, and here, like you have to meet this, and you have to meet this. Okay, it's looking like okay. So Yupu, nicely done, but the thing is that now we have to draw with like as well with marker color. I will draw dark it and then I will meet with you. Oh, Yupu, our kitty is ready. So I have choose here pink color bow and for the body, and the remaining I have left. If you want, you can color it as well. So please watch full video to have fun always, and share this video to your friends as well. Take care until the next video. Bye bye.